Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ELTK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And another crazy move today. It got halted about 972 times, which was ridiculous, but I won't go down that rabbit hole of good old government regulations and halting stocks and making it basically impossible to trade this. But regardless, let's get some things updated here because I will still be watching this one tomorrow. And really nothing has changed from the support side of things. These levels of support that I talked about in Wednesday's video at 625 and then down here at the $5 mark, I will still be watching very closely tomorrow as the trading plays out. So like I said, from that point of view, nothing new has changed. Also, just I can't remember if I mentioned it in yesterday's video or not, but watch that purple line there too, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Moving meaning as Friday plays out, that line will move itself higher and higher. So yes, right now it is valued at 487, but again, that line will change and therefore the value will change too. So it's not going to remain 487, all day long on Friday. But those would be the 3 levels of support to keep an eye on. From a resistance standpoint, this level right here around that I talked about pretty much is essentially right where the price closed. So I mean, the power of charts kind of funny how, that level where the price had been up above it for so long, and then all of a sudden right at the closing, bell, the price essentially closed right at that area. So that is still definitely that near-term level of resistance that I would definitely agree it's been weakened up today because the price has been up above it for so long, but it's still got to be considered a level of resistance. So sure, a weakened level of resistance, but a level of resistance nonetheless. And then the next, I'd say one of the newer areas of resistance that's really revealed itself is right up there at that $11 mark. Again, yes, I get it. The price has been up above there a couple times, but in other instances, the price didn't quite go up that high. So in the spirit of kind of trying to find a common or middle ground there and split the difference, that's where $11 is coming from. But all in all, moral of the story here is that still a very volatile stock, a lot of volume in it, and I'll be watching it tomorrow. So let's see how it closes out the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.